Sit down. Sit. Good boy. What's up, YouTube? Here's my bike check. I'm going to be showing you my bike from the front to the back, alright? Starting off from the handlebars, I got civilian handlebars. I'm not sure what rise they are, but I think they're 8 and 28 wide. Stem, I have a Redneck XLT Gold. I have a Flybike headset. I have Eastern cranks, Vendero Odyssey wheel. I have Colony seat, Eastern cranks, Odyssey Burlington sprocket 23, and I have a bidirectional Eastern wheel. It's pretty fast, I guess. If you guys want to hear it. It's alright, you know. That dog is a douchebag. Go get him. Hey, go over there. Go over there. Okay, come here. Hey, come here. Good boy. Go get him, boy. Go get him. Go get that dog. Go get him, boy. Alright, peace out. Subscribe, rate, comment, whatever you want. I don't give a fuck. Peace out.